we need to make a Sith Trooper?
You gotta make his target him and shoot him like this.
We'll wait and do the demo here in a sec.
Yes.
So, did we see the Rise of Skywalker?
Yeah.
Was it awesome?
Yes.
Do we think the Sith Trooper got enough screen time?
Yes.
You think so?
What?
I kind of feel like they just made him to sell toys, but just me.
Well.
This was a quick job. We cut him out of 1/4 inch plywood and then just hand painted him. We made him look like the promotional poster, pretty much. But he looked like the shape of an actual targeted firing range, so that's what we went with.
On the movie theater is glasses to see 3D glasses.
Because we saw it in 3D. We paid the big bucks. I paid the big bucks.
Wait, on the glasses?
Well, we had to give the glasses back. We got yelled at for trying to take the glasses with us, remember? And then you guys got sad, and a little bit angry, but we did.
And that's not much.
Not that much, no.
I
Anyway.
just got a little bit.
Just a little bit. There we go.
And look at this.
And on the back, we built this little fancy flap. Oh yeah, look at you. You look just like him. So we can set it right up against the wall and it pretty much lays flat. Or we just use these doohickeys that locks it in place at a 90 degree angle. And then it'll sit up and we can blast it.
And watch this. And watch this.
You look just like him.
And watch this.
Oh boy. Demo.
I want to shoot it for real.
Should we shoot it for real? What kind of gun do you have?
A Sith Trooper gun.
Sweet. What kind of gun do you have?
A heavy gun.
A heavy gun. Ready? Aim. Fire.
I need to reload.
Whoa, look out, Whit. Fire. Whoa. Right in the face. In the face!
Skywalker. Do you see that?
BAM! Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Oh, it's not knocking over. Yeah, we'll do the demo in a minute. Here. I know, but we're gonna film you loading the gun. I don't want you to load the gun.
No, don't do my bullets.
Just wait.
Don't use the green bullets.
The action shot. The action shot's coming up, and don't blow him off. Oh my God.
What is it? Do you put that in?
I'll cut all this up later and make it look, nice. Piece it into a coherent thing.
Yeah, I have a computer to do that.
I do have a computer to do that.